Hi everyone, my name is Bagus Pratama. I'm from the Architecture Independent. I will introduce a history architecture building called the Rolak Songo Dam, which means nine dams located on the border Mojokerto and Sidoarjo, Earth Jav. The one of the big building during the colonial period in Mojokerto was the Rolak Songo Dam. The water defense dam of the Brantas River is located on Lengkong Mojokerto and has the name Studam Lengkong. The Rolak Songo that we see today is not building made by the Dutch. The plan to building the dam was started in 1850 years at the infinite of the resident of Surabaya. The technical design was made by engineer C. Gill. Work on the Lengkong Studam began in 1852 years and was complete in 1857 years. From the dam, a floor gate was building landing to the Sidoarjo area to irrigation at length 32,000 hectares of red land. The main purpose of the construction of the Lengkong Dam is to support the sugar industry, which was started in the 1820 years. In Sidoarjo itself, 13 sugar factories were the experiment, all of which depended heavily of the water supplies from the Lengkong Dam. The benefit obtained by the people of Mojokerto during the construction of the Lengkong Dam were returned folding of the Brantas River. The colonial government did not only building dam, it also built the Brantas River embankment. The valley high embankment served as a wall that kept the city of Mojokerto free from flooding even though the water level is high. The location of the dam at the time was right on the side of the floor gate that led to the village of Milirpro. Near the floor gate then is an old house which later functional as a workshop from the Lengkong Dam. To take care for all water management in the Brantas River, an industrial called the Provincial Water Testing Design after in Brantas was established on the Brantas section of the Provincial Irrigation Service. Rolak Songo underwent renovation in the main 1920 years. I don't know what caused the renovation was is clear in the that scope of the renovation is not longer borne by the colonial government budget. The sugar faction Saint Design that bear it the labor need of the renovation is not longer free because the forced labor has been abolished with the end of the French qualification policy. It could be that the renovation was carried out due to the natural disaster when Mount Cloud and has eruption several times. It could also be for engineering the later technology at the time. The renovation of the Rolak Songo Dam seemed to be carried out simultaneously at the same time. Several new canals were made to the north dam at the Brantas River. One of the canals made is the Waktu Dakon siphon, which drains some of the water from the Waktu Dakon River to Pagerluyung toward the bottom of the Brantas River. There is also the Kedung Sorong Canal which discharges water from the Brantas River to the Marmoyo River. The Rolak Songo Dam made in the Netherlands was the complete demolition after Indonesia independence. The building was demolished due to severe damage to the floor gate. The damage caused to be fighter at the time of the Wars of Independence. The floor gate damage caused Sidoarjo and Surabaya to be flooded. Ir Sutami, the Minister of Public Works at the time, played an important role in the construction of the dam, which was later named the New Lengkong Dam. The dam, which was inaugurated by Mr. Sutami, is what we are sending today. Who about Dam Lengkong Old? The remains of the material explaining the switch gate are the renovation and stored. Their colonial relic can be seen at Rolak Songo Museum in Lengkong. The Rolak. How about Dam Lengkong Old? The remains of the material explaining the switch gate are the removed and stored. The colonial relics can be seen at the Rolak Songo Museum in Lengkong. The old Rolak Songo did have 9 floor gates. How many gates are there from the new Rolak Songo?